What is going on, my friends? We are back with another unboxing. Guess what it is? You won't be surprised, I promise. Well, I had a new company reach out to me over the past, I want to say week or so. And they said, Graylin, I know you're into LEDs and yada yada yada. Will you please do an unboxing and review our product? Blah blah blah. And guys, you know me, I'm a sucker for a nice LED, so here we are, back at it again with some more LED headlights, and I'm going to do a comparison in this video on just comparing brands and my thoughts. Okay, so this right here, this is not Oxbeam or any other company that I've dealt with in the past. This is a brand new company to my knowledge, and they're SM, Auto, and then P. And then here's the package. It's a really nice box. It's got a super nice texture. Maybe you can hear it. I don't know, but it's a super nice box. LED 9006. It's an all-in-one, so I guess it's a low and a high beam. So there it is on the chart. It's clearly marked. Back you have nothing, model number, LED headlight. Let's get right into the unboxing. So when you first look at it, it looks really good. So here's the packaging. You got your instruction manual with the tool, zip ties. Now I'm assuming the zip ties are for the, I guess these would be valence something, some type of output thing to control how much power it is, yada yada yada, kind of like HIDs. But these right here, wow, these are kind of the Mac Daddy bulbs. So it's got one, two, three, 4 different sides of LEDs, and then let's just do this real quick. So I'm assuming it's just straight plug and play. So as you can tell, there's the connections. It's got the one little plug, yeah, and then come across, screw it in. Super sweet. So it's got the 9006 little prong. So I'll do a installation as well. See, there's the brand SM Auto P. And then there's the plug, here's the play. So we'll put it right in, twist and turn. And then yeah, so that looks great. We'll go ahead and fix this really quick. So it'll be back in the box, well taken care of. Super easy. Bam and bam. Nothing else in the box, just the wires. We'll get in right here. I'm assuming the zip ties are for that. That way there's no drag or any type of complications, which is really nice that they include that. So there's your brochure, LED headlight, instruction manual. Oh, okay, super cool, so it comes all the way out. So, adjustable lighting patterns, so I guess you can adjust how high and how low, yada yada yada, which is on the bulb, which I'll show you in a second. And there's the installation. Let's see what the adjustable lighting pattern is. I'm assuming that it's right there. Let's grab a light. Yeah, so that's exactly where it goes, is right there. And then I guess you just adjust it accordingly. So yeah, well, so here's the unboxing, and there's the valence and everything. And yeah, well, hope you guys enjoyed, and the next video that you guys see from me will be the installation of how to install these and what they look like in the daytime and in the nighttime. Thanks for watching. You guys take care. Peace.